All right, so I just came from Starbucks. Here's the. This is why people need to keep their hands to themselves. Good morning, y'all. It is Friday, so it's the mother freaking weekend. It's like, no, ain't like I'm doing anything anyway, so ain't no need to get hype. Okay. Today I'm up. Charles is at work. I just got the kids some Chick-fil-A, and I'm gonna go grab me a drink. I want to do the iced gingerbread chai, but I'm just like, I never finish it, so it's best that I just don't get it. I'm really thinking about what drink to get. It is cold out here, and I don't want to get something I'm not gonna drink because I'm using up the last little bit of my gift card. So yeah, nails done by Coley. They're actually really cute. Their only one is starting to chip right now, and that's okay. So at least I know that they're done. But yeah, let me head off to Starbucks and I'll catch up with y'all soon. All right, so I just came from Starbucks. Here's the drink. I ended up getting a venti iced sugar cookie latte, and then I got sugar cookie cold foam in it just to see what that would be like. It's not all the way cold at the top and the bottom. So, I'm gonna wait till I get home. On top of that, I think that I have another, bacon, egg, and cheese croissant sandwich that I can heat up to, you know, have something to eat. But I know I've said all week I'm gonna wash my hair. That is the goal for today, to wash my hair. And everything else is mostly done. Laundry's done, dishes are done, and the house is clean. That way I can just edit and relax off of my phone this afternoon. That's it, that's all. I'll catch y'all later. It's just one of them days that a girl goes through when I'm angry inside. I don't wanna take it out on you. Just one of them things. Yo, I used to thump that Monica. I used to be sitting in the backseat of my mama's car, riding, thumping the Monica. Nowadays, you gotta find something to even thump too, because the music these days is trash. All right, y'all. I made me a bacon, egg, and cheese croissant, which I really don't like because Walmart gives y'all the directions to open it on one end and heat it up for like a minute and 30, and then flip it on the other side and do 30 minutes. I mean, like 30 seconds. That's too long. The bread get hard and the, you know, sandwich be breaking apart. So I did it my way because it was, you know, left out for, I would say, like 15, 20 minutes. I just did 30 on one side, 30 on the other. Bread wasn't hard. The sandwich was still, you know, nice and hard. They need to get better directions. So I am going to try my drink finally. Like I said, I asked them to add in sugar cookie cold foam. It's not bad. I guess the sugar cookie cold foam just consists of the sugar cookie syrup and, you know, whatever else they put on there. I'm gonna get ready to wash my hair because I've said it all week. Sky used her camera this morning to record a video. She just simply made some resin. She got this little box here for Christmas that came with the molds. And then it also came with like the resin, the popsicle sticks, the little mica powders, some of the silver and gold foil, and then some of like the backs and stuff to go with it. This was $5 at Rose's across the mountain. So all right, y'all, so we're gonna go take my car because apparently now the other light don't burn. This is why people need to keep their hands to themselves. My cousin, my grandfather's cousin whatever, decided to try and help fix the light or whatever, and now the other light's out. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna get ready to go over there and then drop the car off and come back into town. I'm gonna stop by Little Caesars, get us something for lunch, pizza, whatever, and go from there. So see y'all in a few. Oh boy, okay, so we dropped off my car. Let's just say he left his phone in my car. By the time we got to Seaville Oriental, he realized that the phone was left in my car. Yeah, that tells you a whole lot. Anyways, with that being said, like I said, I'm just getting back, and I'm just kind of ready to chill for a minute because he left it. Yeah, because he left the phone in my car. Now I gotta go get my grandmother, so I literally have less than an hour to be here, but that's cool because I'm gonna go in the house and eat a couple pieces of pizza. But let me show y'all the little rice crackers I got from Seaville Oriental. All right, so these are the rice crackers that my best friend sent me from Japan, and I've been hooked ever since. Might not be the same brand, but at the same time, it's good, literally good. So these are the Want Shelly Simbi Bon Tuit rice crackers. Like I said, they have like little powdered sugar, confection sugar on them, whatever. So good. So I bought not only that one, but I bought 2 more. And then these little drinks right here. This I've tried before, so I picked it up. It's like a passion fruit drink. Comes with a straw on the side, and it's literally like a milk tea, but there's no boba in it. You just like put these in the refrigerator and then drink them cold, or you can drink them warm. We like them cold, so I'm glad I found these. We can put these in the refrigerator for like another time. Man, it's been a while since I had Little Caesars pizza. And we only get it like when we go out that way. But like I said, I'm gonna see what needs to be done.
Breadsticks is hitting.
Breadsticks are hitting too. I don't know if I feel like doing it today, but I was on Pinterest the other day and I wanted to kind of do like dye my hair a little bit more different instead of like just doing the roots. I want to take just like the front section, like this much, and do it all the way around and dye it kind of like this. That way, you know, I don't feel like this is all black and, you know, whatever. I think I really need to try it. So I'm gonna see if I have any bleach up in the closet. I think I do. I see it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do that. Wash and blow dry it, and then, you know, I'll worry about straightening it tomorrow. But at least I can say that I got it done. All right, I really need to put some of these clothes away. I think that's my problem. And Christmas is over. Those clothes need to go away. And I just need to really get it together with that. Because when I go back to work, I want a clean home. You know, anybody wants a clean home, especially when they go back to work. Because when I come home
Tuesday, it'll be like my mini Monday, where I'll just, you know, not make much of nothing to keep the house clean. We're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go around the corner later to get the pad thai. Me and Chuck want that. He's gonna try something different. I am not. I don't play around with trying new foods. I don't play with that. So, with that being said, it's gonna be a chill evening, a chill weekend. Getting dinner. I ordered 2 pad cashews that come with chicken, like a brown sauce, as well as like vegetables, and those vegetables include green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, there's onions, there is carrots, there's celery, and it's actually really, really good. It's like $12.95 for this meal. And then Charles got the hangry drunken noodles and a wonton soup. So yeah, I don't know. The idea was for us to like go half on pad thai. Pad thai, you know, can get expensive, and normally when we come here the bill is like $50. Which is, I mean, like, I'm not saying that's expensive, but you definitely don't want to binge on, you know, certain foods that clearly for 3 people are gonna run you $50, $60. All right, I'm gonna take you guys inside. Shrimp coconut noodles. This is the outcome. Like it better than what it was. Well, I loved what it was, but now I got an ultra blonde streak in the front. Anyways, eating my second cookie. Getting ready to get in bed soon.